A very good o'clock, dear students. Today, let us talk about the effects of pollution. This is for those who were not in the class while discussion, so it's a revision video. So, pollution has an intense effect on natural resources and living organisms, including men. Okay, since we all live on the earth, and the pollution combinedly causes damage to all the living beings on the earth, may it be plants, animals, or human being. Okay, the functioning of any or all the ecosystems may be impaired by the pollution. Okay, the ecosystem which is formed by the interaction of living and non-living components of the environment can be damaged easily by the pollution. Okay, and because all the components of ecosystem are interlinked, so change in one component may lead to change in other components also. Okay, the effects of pollution can be of two types, like primary and secondary. Okay, so primary effects of pollution are the direct effects which occur immediately after the pollution. For example, when there's an oil spill, so many plants and animals die immediately. And secondary effects are those effects which show their effect in long run. Okay, it means that they are delayed effects and may persist in environment in future also. Okay, they keep on going, and many of such effects go unnoticed for several years till they do not become a major problem, right? So let us see what are the effects of air pollution. The effects of air pollution are diverse. It means there are many effects of air pollution and numerous effects of air pollution, and it can have serious consequences for health of human being. What are these consequences? Let us see. Human health. First of all, what is the effect of air pollution on human health? There can be numerous diseases caused by man's exposure to polluted air. If we breathe polluted air, since we are not conscious while taking in the air, so polluted air can easily go inside us. Okay, so what are the effects of this? There can be many diseases like asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, lung cancer, and lung related many other diseases. Okay, like breathing diseases too. Most serious pollutant in air pollution is sulfur dioxide, and its concentration in human body chokes the breathing system of the body, that is causes cough, breathlessness, and spasm of larynx. So it also causes irritation in eyes and becomes an allergic agent. When it reacts with some compound, it forms sulfuric acid, which can damage the lungs. Then there is carbon monoxide. It's another dangerous pollutant which affect oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Okay, it affects the capacity of blood that it can be carried by in the body. Okay, oxygen that can be carried through the blood by in the body, it affects that. And cigarette smoking is responsible for the exposure of this poisonous gas. Means most of carbon monoxide is reduced while smoking. Okay, so it impairs perception of thinking, it can slow down the reflexes, it can cause headaches, drowsiness, dizziness, all these can happen. And it can also, poisoning by this gas can also cause death. Nitric acid, it's another pollutant which causes irritation, and its excess amount causes hemorrhage. Okay, excess amount of nitric acid in the body can also cause hemorrhage to a person. Hydrogen sulfide is then another toxic pollutant, and lead is often released from vehicular exhaust, can damage the brain. Okay, these were some effects of air pollution on human health. Now let us see how it affects the plants and animals. Yeah, another thing that we studied, that smog, which is formed by mixing of a smoke plus fog. Okay, so it has caused many deaths in London in 1952. It's also a kind of air pollution. Okay, next up we have plants and animals. How does it affect plant and animal? So several atmospheric pollutants, when are absorbed by the vegetation cover, they destroy them. Okay, the metallic contaminants like the arsenic, lead, these are released from metals. Okay, chief pollutants for plant pollution. For animal, the chief pollutant is fluoride that causes fluorosis. Okay, a number of livestock fluorosis, animals suffering from fluorosis, they are weak, their bones become weak, the strength of bones become weak. Okay, when fluorides and arsenic act on their body, their bones become very weak. Areas around the smelting industry release large amount of sulfur dioxide. Okay, the areas which are engaged in metal works, smelting works, iron works, they damage the vegetation cover. The cells in plant become inactive, and dead when sulfur dioxide is absorbed by them, their roots. Okay, the leaves then get dried and collapse, means the plant totally vanishes out. Many crops are also destroyed. Fluorides also interfere with the photosynthesis process and the respiration of plant, and smog is also harmful for the plant. Okay, now how acid rain affects the human health as well as plant health. Acid rain is a corrosive type of air pollution. It is formed by mixing of reaction of chemicals, right? So it occurs when the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen combine with the moisture of atmosphere. What happens when the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen mixed with rainwater? They form acid rain because they form the acids. Okay, the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide released by burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and they form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Okay, these pollutant then return to ground in the form of rainfall. Okay, and when it reaches the earth, it damages the soil fertility because it makes it acidic, and plants and freshwater life in lakes, all of them are destroyed by acid rain. It severely damages the various ecosystems in many part of the world. When it pours into lakes, जब इसका पानी lakes में जाता है तो उसे poisonous बना देता है और aquatic life को kill करता है. Okay, then greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? We have already studied it, that there are some gases in the atmosphere like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, which act as a blanket. Okay, and they trap the terrestrial radiation coming back from the earth at the time in night when the earth loses its heat. Okay, and these are known as greenhouse gases. Although they are good for the earth, they maintain the temperature of the earth, but when their amount increases in the atmosphere, they start trapping more and more heat, and also trapping a lot of heat is not good for the earth. Okay, it leads to melting of glaciers, ice caps, ice sheets. Okay, which results in increase in the level of water in sea, river, lakes, right? So it is estimated that in near future, if the rate of glacier melt remains the same, then the sea level would rise by 1 meter, and 1 meter rise in sea level can have destructive consequences, that is numerous islands would submerged in water. Okay, next is ozone depletion. So ozone is a layer, is a part of a stratosphere, found in stratosphere. It absorbs the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Okay, and it protects us from the ultraviolet radiation, which is not good for the human health. It can cause cancer in human body. It can also lead to increase in surface temperature of the earth. So the CFC, or chlorofluorocarbon, which is used in refrigeration, it is a refrigerating agent. Okay, it's a cooling agent, and it is very light, so it can reach the ozone layer up to in the atmosphere. Okay, what happens now? Then the chlorine atom, which is there in CFC, that is the chlorofluorocarbon, it converts it into simple oxygen. It reacts with the ozone. The chlorine react with ozone and convert it into simple oxygen. It means ozone is destroyed, right? So one chlorine atom, a single chlorine atom, can destroy 1 lakh molecules of ozone. Okay, that harmful it is, and it poses problem threat to the environment. Next is other effects. In other effects, we can see damage of property, color changing of property. Okay, and pollutants break down the exterior paints of the cars, houses, buildings. Several heritage structures like Taj Mahal are getting yellow, discolored by air pollution. These sites and statues lose their natural beauty. Okay, 1972 Mathura oil refinery was established, and its smoke has affected the beauty of Taj Mahal, which is much far from it. Okay, like this other aluminium and iron made statues are also corroded by the effect of chemicals released from the factories. Okay, that's all about the effect of air pollution. We'll continue the chapter in the next video.